I am Major General Matthew. I am the GOC of Karnataka and Kerala sub-area. Representing the army in this area, we are looking after the operations of the Indian Army in this disaster-stricken area.
So, what's your assessment, sir? How far the recovery process and research process is going?
We have been here in support of the Kerala government and the people of Wayanad since 30th morning. So far, we have recovered almost 100 plus bodies. Overall, the body count is much more. In addition, we have helped rescue a number of people from the trapped areas. We have also inducted almost 500 soldiers into this. This is in addition to the Air Force, Navy and other components of the forces that are here. We, as of now, are on the third day of the operation, which we have launched. Almost all people who are trapped and needed rescue have been rescued. Now we need to get into the houses and see if there are any people who are trapped inside the houses whom we cannot find. For that we need heavy equipment. Our bridge is nearing completion at 10 o'clock today, and once the bridge comes up, it will be a major change. We will be able to induct all equipment into the site. And once the equipment goes into the site, then we will be able to dig for people, heavy equipment. That is what we are planning to do. So by 10 o'clock, this bridge, which has been constructed by our efforts day and night, has now come up, will be coming up at 10 o'clock. And this is going to change the dynamics of the rescue operations, and that's what we are hoping for.
And what would be the focus?
The focus primarily is to now search for people who are trapped inside houses, if at all. As of now, we are still expecting that there could be someone who needs help, where mud has gone over their houses and they have got some space to stay inside, but we are not able to secure here. That would be our focus. For that, we would induct heavy equipment inside inside the area which is affected. We would also have use our dogs, which have come again from Delhi through Air Force aircraft. So we will use both of these.
And how many men are there actually?
As of now, from the Indian Army, 500 plus men are working in around 5 to 6 columns. We are working here.
And how many flight dogs are?
We have 3 dogs that have come from, specialized dogs that have come from Meerut, airlifted by the Air Force and Army jointly. They have reached, they are on site, they will be helping us do this job.
For exclusive and insightful videos, subscribe to our new channel ABP Live Premium.